Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used transporter shuttle long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Starlight blue, and across the front of the vehicle it features a colour coordinated front bumper with front parking sensors. Down below, the van sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, and moving to the rear of the vehicle, the shuttle comes with a tailgate with a window. Located in the rear bumper is also a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look into the rear load area of the van, it comes with a carpet floor covering as well as having a few lashing points. In the rear passenger area there is a 3-seater passenger bench, and in the middle passenger area there are 3 individual chairs. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area there is a twin passenger bench along with a driver's chair with 2 armrests. This shuttle comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system including navigation as well as App Connect. The van has a few interesting climate controls such as a 3-zone climate control system complete with air conditioning. There is also a 12-volt and 2 USB-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.